Ever felt the drag of a regular form halfway through wanting to hit the exit button? Well, your users feel the same way. Win that battle with conversational forms, the ultimate weapon to prevent form abandonment. Yes, today I'm gonna show you how to transform your mundane forms into dynamic conversations in Fluent Forms. Let's start by taking a new form from the Fluent Forms menu. Once clicked, you will see a window appear with these 4 different form types. Now, selecting the conversational form type will direct you to this editor page, which, as you can see, already contains some default input fields. But it's your form, so you are in full control. Add or remove as many input fields as you need, because you have over 35 input fields to choose from. So find the ones that best suit your needs. Now, you might wonder, why not the 60+ input fields like we have in the regular Fluent Forms? Well, the thing is, not every regular input field is compatible with a conversational form, right? But the good news is that the developers are constantly optimizing the features to enhance the overall user experience. Okay, as for customization, it's nearly identical to regular forms except for the layout settings. So let's pick separate layout for each input field and add a lot more fun to the form. Then comes the media option. Don't just upload an image, take it a step further by adjusting the brightness as well. Add a welcome screen so the users get the cozy vibe the moment they arrive. You will find the welcome screen in the advanced fields. Let's give this welcome screen a bit personal touch. So first rewrite the element label, then edit the description box. You can add even an image here. Next, select the position and rewrite the submit button text. Look, this isn't exactly the submit button, it's actually a start button that users will use to proceed to the next queries. And there is more you can do in the advanced settings. But for now, let's skip this as it is. We are almost done with the form, but how about a quick tour of the design options as well? But before that, let's save the form. Okay, here is a real surprise. It's not just a styling tool, there are more, like meta and share options. But let's go with the design first. Whether you want a specific font type, different colors for the questions, answers, buttons, button text, or the entire background, just a little tweak here and there, and consider it done. Don't want to display the custom layout of the form on mobile devices? Toggle on the first option. You can even prevent the users from scrolling down to the next field. And it's okay if you don't want to showcase the brand name, just turn on the third button. And there's more. If your form contains a checkbox field or a radio field, with the key hint option enabled, your users can navigate effortlessly through questions with scroll and keyboard options. Then the viewers option allows you to preview how your form will appear on different devices like mobile and desktop. And when I say everything, I mean you can fine-tune literally everything within the form. Now let's save the settings and see what's the deal with the meta tab. Want to customize the backend interface when creating and editing a post or page? Rename the meta title, description, and add a featured image right from here. You can even enhance the security of the URL by including a security code just right below. Moreover, you have the freedom to rewrite and deploy purpose-specific form messages like confirm button text, skip button text, progress text, and much more. Not just that, with Fluent Forms, you have all the sharing features in just one Share tab. Directly share it via a URL or share it on your social media. Then you have 2 versions of shortcodes for the same form, one as a conversational form and the other as a regular form. Who knows when and where which one might come in handy? Now, what if you want to share this form on another domain, site, or even outside WordPress? The option is right below. Simply embed the HTML code of the form and you are good to go. But wait, you cannot consider a form complete without a perfect confirmation message, right? Navigate to Settings and Integrations for that. Feel free to customize your confirmation message and the other as you like. Finally, save the settings and here you go. Your conversational form is all set to go live. Let's see how it works. A seamless interaction. One query at a time, like a real conversation in the mind. In short, with Fluent Forms, you have the power to craft engaging forms and keep the user's attention always at its peak. So why wait? Grab Fluent Forms and let the interaction happen like never before. So, default input fields, which already